Welcome RidgeLife. I'm Tim, and today I've got something awesome to show you, and I can't wait to get it out of the box, show you what we got on the Ridge. Just like it says on the box, awesome. I bet this product is gonna be awesome. It is an e-scooter, off-road e-scooter. Take it through the ridge, take it on the town, wherever you wanna go. And I hear it goes 34 miles an hour. I wanna see. Let's get this thing open. I'll tell you right now, I'm totally curious if this thing's gonna be hard to put together. You would think a scooter should be unfold, powered up, and go. Let's see. I'm again super curious about that. Can't be too many things to it, you would hope. Man, if it's like 1,000 pieces, I'm not gonna be happy. Well, I'll tell you right now, it's a box within a box. What's in the box, people? Okay, looking good, looking good. I don't see too many parts. Oh yeah. Let's see what we got. First thing I see is the Ausom User's Manual. Again, I love this name, Ausom User's Manual. Let's take this cover off. Okay, here we go. We've got the handlebars, which are attached, looks like to the frame. Oh, over here, let's see, we've got an air pump. We've got an air pump to pump up the tires. That's very cool. Let's see, we got a bunch of bolts in here. Oh my goodness, guys, check this out. Look what this is. This is a tool set. Here's Allen wrenches. No way, check this out. Allen wrenches, screwdrivers, and a socket set right in the kit. Right in the kit. That is awesome. All right, let's see what we got here. I bet this is the power supply. Let's see if we got the power supply. Yep, power supply, charging cable. Yep, we got that. So let's get this out of the way. See what is down below. All right. The frame, it looks like almost everything is put together. All right, let's get the rest of it out of here, see what we've got. Get that out of the way. And we got this right here, which looks like it is, I bet this is a seat bracket. I bet it's a seat bracket, because yes, this scooter is a stand-up scooter and also has a seat. Take it on, put it off, however you want to do it. So let's see, now we got that. All right, that is it, guys. All right, I'm gonna lift this out of here. This box weighs 80 pounds, and I believe the scooter is about a 70-pound scooter. It's got a huge battery on it. So let's see if I can get this out of here. Oh my goodness, guys, we got it. And the last thing in the box is the seat. So we've got really, besides the little accessories, you've got the main unit, a bracket for the seat, and the seat itself. As you can see, this is the Ausom Leopard. This thing is amazing looking. Looks like I got shocks front and back. Let's see how easy it is. I'm not even gonna read the instructions initially. Got the kickstand down. I'm gonna put this top piece up, click it in place. Got a little bracket here. I bet I can just tighten this down. Again, I'll get the instructions out to finalize everything. This is the seat bracket, and it looks like that would bolt right there. That's those 4 bolts that came with it. Probably gotta spin this around. We get the seat, slide right down in there. Yeah, 4 bolts that came with it, I bet would go right in there. We lock this in place. Now, as far as the handlebars, okay, we gotta get some tools, get these bolts out here, get the handlebars mounted. We're almost done. Toolkit that came with it, I bet we can get these off. Loosen up these Allen heads right here. Get all 4 of those out. One more. Again, haven't even looked at the instructions once yet. Will it fall apart when I ride it? I don't know. We will go over the instructions. I promise you, we will go over the instructions. I'll make sure I keep everything situated the way it was. Okay, so that one goes there. All right. So I bet I can just put this right in there, slide that right back over there. Yep. Get these bolts back in there, tighten them up. And then we got a little clamp there. Man, this thing, I'm so excited. This is super easy. All right, how many of y'all caught that and didn't say anything? Had the handlebars on backwards. The display tilts back like this. Because the display was like that, I thought the handlebars backwards, then all of a sudden I looked and they were like this. I don't think the brakes need to be on this side. So yeah, woo, we got it right now. Again, not too many things to figure out. We got some keys right here. I bet we got a battery we got to get charged as well. So let's look it over and then we'll get the battery charged up, go inside, check out all the specs on it, and then we'll give it a real test here on the Ridge. I reviewed the instructions and I had pretty much everything right. The only thing I really had wrong was the seat orientation for that bracket. That does go like that. Now I'm going to be testing it today without the seat. Okay, so stand up only. Let's come around. You can see handlebars. We've got the on-off switch. We've got the left-right blinker and a horn. There's the Ausom LCD display. We've got your key switch. Right here's your throttle accelerator, nice grips. We have brake. I believe that is front brake, and this one is back brake. Let's see the front brake in operation. Boom, 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 and the back brake in operation. Boom, boom, boom. We've got the kickstand right there. There is actually lights on either side of the unit. Lights right there. Of course, we have the headlight in the front. Very, very nice LED headlight right there in the front. And if we look right inside here, we have got the charging port right there, charging port. So let's get this thing charged up. Got my son Morgan here. He is home from college down there in Mississippi State, and he wants a scooter to go to and from and around campus. I think the Ausom Leopard is the one. You excited about it?
Oh yeah, for sure.
All right, Morgan, you've had a chance to put this thing to a test. How fast did you go?
I went 30.
Were you the fastest it could go?
No, I definitely could go faster.
Did you even get to third gear?
I got to third gear, but I didn't push it too hard.
What do you think about this Ausom Leopard?
Oh yeah, I mean, it's great. I didn't think it could go off-road as good as it could, but it definitely did.
Yeah.
And it went so fast, like it was hard for me to open my eyes, so.
How many steps do you do a day when you're at college?
Right now I'm averaging 18,000 steps.
18,000 steps. Is this thing gonna be a lifesaver?
Oh yeah, it's gonna cut 30-minute walk down to 5.
All right, well, you might wanna get yourself an Ausom Leopard. How about that?
Oh yeah.
The Ausom Leopard is equipped with a 1,000 watt brushless motor. Allow you to climb 25% climb angles at 34 miles per hour maximum speed. The onboard 20.8 amp hour battery pack with a capacity of 998.4 watt hours again gives an amazing maximum range of 52 miles. For an outstanding comfortable ride, the front and rear swing arms give you that shock absorption you'll need for those off-road country excursions. When it comes to stopping safely, the Ausom Leopard more than provides there with an emergency brake and front and rear disc brakes. A lot of competitor tires are itty-bitty, but Ausom gives you a 10-inch by 3.15-inch off-road tires, and they can overcome all those off-road obstacles. Don't forget those fun drive modes as well. 9 miles per hour gives you lots of torque. 22 miles per hour, long battery life. 34 miles per hour, woo, that is fast. When it comes to controls, Ausom Leopard's LCD display provides you have speed, battery indication, distance, light, and cruise control. Speaking of lighting, the all-around lighting system is amazing. It has 6 lights to brighten up your path, including a headlight, brake light, and 4 side lights. Want to take your e-scooter on the go? Effortless folding with your Ausom Leopard. It's as simple as 1, turn the knob, 2, pull the knob out, 3, fold it down, 4, lock it in place. It also accommodates riders of all different heights. You can get it as low as 43.7 inches and as high as 49.2 inches. If you're going to go long distance and need some comfort, don't forget that detachable seat. Make those long rides that much more easy to maintain. Those are just some of the specifications of the Ausom Leopard off-road e-scooter. Let's get back to the review.
you have fun on the Ausom Leopard today?
Oh yeah.
We put it through the test. Not only did we just run it around, we worked it on the Ridge. So if you go to RidgeLife, we got a video of us working this Ausom Leopard, and we did that for sure. Guys, if you like this video, you like other videos like it, make sure you subscribe to RidgeLife's Reviews and How-Tos. If you want to see country life, go over to RidgeLife. If you want to hear us talk about it, go to RidgeLife Ramblings. If you want one of these Ausom Leopards for yourself, I'll leave a link down in the description. You can get it on Amazon. I believe it's $1,000. There's a $100 off coupon right now, so $900. Or you can go to their website, and I believe it's like $949.99. Prices are subject to change. So guys, I really enjoyed this. Did you enjoy it?
Oh, for sure.
All right. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Until next time, hope everyone has a blessed day, and
Go RidgeLife.